This video will take you through the procedure for installing a portable fan filter unit to create an isolation room or to create a HEPA-filtered environment for people to gather more safely. In accordance with ASHRAE, the fan filter unit should preferably exhaust through an exterior wall or window, or if that's not possible, then through an existing wall or ceiling return grille or to an adjacent space. Assembly of the fan filter unit is very easy. Simply unpack the unit and discard packing material. Assemble the caster wheels and the handle, and you're ready to go. We'll demonstrate installing the fan filter unit through a window using an exterior exhaust grille with a 3-inch duct connection collar and an insect screen, available from Shoemaker Manufacturing. To begin, prepare the outlet by screwing in the grille to the window panel as shown. Next, connect the ducting to the exhaust grille collar, and then to the exhaust outlet on the back of the fan filter unit. Secure ductwork in place and ensure there are no leaks. Next, we'll install the HEPA filter within the fan filter unit. Use a flathead screwdriver to remove the face, then remove the pre-filter. The HEPA filter comes sealed in plastic packaging to keep it contaminant-free. Make sure not to remove it from its packaging until it's ready for install. Use the filter tabs to secure it in place. Then replace the pre-filter before replacing the face. Finally, plug the unit in and use the controls on the front to adjust the fan speed to reach the CFM required to create a negative pressure environment. To test the airflow, place a piece of paper in front of the unit. It's so quiet, you may not notice it's working. The unit indicator lets you know when you need to replace the filter. Your portable fan filter unit is now ready for use. Whether you are setting up an isolation room at a school or using the unit as an air scrubber, the fan filter unit is easy to set up and installation is flexible, either out a window or to an existing wall or ceiling return. For more information, please contact Shoemaker Manufacturing.